Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today is all about securing the BMW M4 CSL. Not only are we going to be mostly talking about the Auto Watch Ghost Immobilizer system, I'm also going to show you exactly how the system works, how it operates, and also giving you my top tips of securing a vehicle. So let's jump inside the vehicle and show you exactly how the system works. Firstly, talk about a little bit more about security. So with any vehicle, with keyless entry in particular, cars are going missing and getting stolen so often. Range Rovers, BMWs, Mercedes, Fords, it doesn't matter what brand you hit, they are all being stolen left, right and center, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Especially cars with this keyless entry technology, where in essence you can start the vehicle where you walk up to the car, keyless entry technology, which is absolutely amazing. Really cool little feature on a car, however, allows it being very prone to being stolen. So the way the Ghost system works is really straightforward. So if I put my foot on the brake and in essence try to start the car without a code, you get that lovely noise. But that is then, in essence, the car has started, but then say I want to drive away, I go into drive and it kills the car, and doesn't matter what happens or what I do after that, it's not going to go into gear. So what we're going to do is basically show you how it works. So that's obviously showing it not being able to be stolen. The way you would be starting your car is with the factory key. You get to start the car, to foot on the brake and start, and then you enter a unique code. That code is between 4 to 20 button presses. Please never do 20, but between 4 and 6 is kind of normal, and our recommendation, because you don't want the process to be too long. But in essence, you start the car and you enter a unique code. So I'm going to enter my unique code that we've done as a preset. You get the 2 indicators flashing till you got your password correct. And you've got so many buttons in this vehicle that you can choose from. It's not all buttons that you have access to, but we'll go through that on handover. We don't give that away on video, but during handover, we go through everything and we customize the code to you. But now I've entered that code, my foot can go on the brake and I can go into drive and away I go. Okay, so very easy, very simple to use. It's just that one extra step that keeps your vehicle in your possession. You might be thinking, well, what happens if I give my car over to BMW for a service? No problem at all. There is a service mode sequence which we go through on handover. Again, very simple. You pull up at the dealership, you press a certain button 5 times, system will override itself, and basically, in essence, the person you hand your keys over to, they don't need to know that you've got Ghost installed. You don't need to hand over your code. Then when you get back in your car, it's then overridden again because you put in your code like normal and it resets. But we go through all of that on handover once your install is done by our team here in Cambridge. But overview, it's a really simple product, easy to use, cost is not too much, and also it just is another layer of protection against key cloning and also against your car being stolen. However, it shouldn't really just end there. Okay, there's other options that you need to be considering as well. So there's a few things that I add onto a vehicle. One is the Ghost Immobilizer, which we've gone through. Then the next option is a Faraday Box. So I use a box called Key Protect Pro. That is, you can check out all these details on our website, and you can actually purchase that from our online shop. They do multiple different colors. That's on the CBS Automotive shop section. So you can go ahead, purchase one of them. We do carry them in stock as well. So when you're having your upgrade, it is something you can purchase, but they look quite nice. They're pretty boxes and they're really secure. And when you get home, you chuck your keys in that box and you don't want anything being transmitted. So it is another layer of protection for a Faraday Box. And the one we recommend is a Key Protect Pro. So the next thing I add onto a vehicle is a dash cam, and you might be thinking, well, that's not really security, but it is. Not only is it protecting you while your vehicle is on the road, but also it protects you when your vehicle is parked. So a very popular solution that we do is a front and rear camera solution, which gives you great coverage, but also has a battery system. The battery system basically means that the vehicle is then being recorded when the vehicle is parked, basically like CCTV when you aren't around. So that is a really popular solution that we normally add in as well. Then the next thing is a tracking system. This vehicle already has one on it. However, it is really important that you add a tracking system as well as these things, because even with Ghost, for example, on the vehicle, I could in essence, if I really wanted to steal this car, I could pick this up on a low loader and take it away. So what a tracker does is basically senses movement without ignition. So right now, if this vehicle were to be lifted up and transported, it would then be picked up by the tracking system, you get notified, and then you can start the recovery process. So then, in essence, you've got all areas covered. And last but, well, two other things, sorry. One thing that I normally recommend if you don't have it, this is kind of away from a car if you would, there is info on our website for it, but it's a company called Bollard Security that I use for all my bollards, and it is my recommendation for you guys at home. So if you're interested in having a bollard fitted outside on your driveway, or if you have gates or whatever it is, Bollard Security are really, really professional. They've done a lot of work for myself and also for my clients, and you also got a discount code on there, which I believe is CBS5, but head over to their info is on our website. You can head over and purchase all that sort of stuff, all from Bollard Security directly. It's just a link to their website. In terms of the last thing is the baseball bat steering lock, and they are incredibly cool. They're not as strong as the big yellow ugly things, but it's all about how much you're actually going to use these things. I use my steering wheel lock, the baseball bat design, literally every single day. Every time I park up at home, because it sits right here next to me, I can pick it up, pop it on my steering wheel, really easy to use, and I'm not having to faff around with a big steering wheel lock. It's very simple, very easy to use. So that is also my recommendation. Again, we do carry them in stock, and probably my favorite feature of that is you can actually color code them to your vehicle. So I've got a red one on my red car, white one on my white car, and so on and so on. So you can order that again via the CBS Automotive shop, or when you come in as well, we can supply you with one. So they're kind of a bit of an overview of other things to consider. If you're doing one of them, that is better than anything. I mean, it's vehicle security. The more you do, the more secure you're going to be. But it's really about it's about you protecting your asset before an issue arises. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. You've learned a little bit more about an upgrade, but bear in mind, guys, this is just on this particular vehicle. This kind of same solutions are adding and applicable to so many other vehicles. So don't just take it as this vehicle. So whatever vehicle it might be, keep your vehicle secured. I'll see you soon.